So hello guys, today's session is on D Shaw OA problem, which was asked I think 3 to 4 weeks ago, and the credits of this problem goes to Romit Chaudhary, and Romit Chaudhary is attending this session. So thank you so much. The image of this problem was sent to me by Romit, so I give the credits to him. Now let's open this problem and try to read it. Okay, let's read. You guys can take your time and try to read this problem. Okay, giving you guys 10 to 15 seconds to read, so please make sure to read this problem. Also, I can see that this was not a good experience because I can see all the test cases are going wrong. So I can understand Romit might have had a bad experience. No worries, Romit. Now we will fix it. Okay, guys, everyone try to read the problem for the first 5-10 seconds, then first 1 minute, then I will try to move on. Okay. If you solve this properly, you will get 30-40 lakhs. So you should have the skill to solve this. Solve this, get selected, then tell me, thank you, sir. 35 LPA show. I want message like that. Yeah, good. So, guys, I hope now everyone might have read this problem. Okay, good, good, nice. Guys, now let's try to understand the question. Okay, so question is saying to us that we are given an array and an integer k. We have to make maximum k moves on the array such that all the elements of array become less than equal to 0. Also, in each move you can decrease any number of the array by x. K is say 15. So task is to find the minimum possible value of x. Okay, so what those guys are trying to say, we need to analyze. Okay, so let's take a example. Hmm. Okay, this is a good example, guys. Okay, pasting it here. So guys, it is very much important for me to explain the meaning of the question, right? So guys, they are saying that we are giving you k. Say k is 5. It means you can do maximum 5 operations on the array. Okay, k is the maximum number of operations which you are allowed to do. Good and nice. Now in each operation you can decrease the value or in that particular array index by minus x. Okay, this x you have to decide what it should be. Okay, so let's say I had this array like 3, 1 and 1. Okay, or say 3, 1 and 10. Okay, I had something like this. Okay, and say I selected x as 1. So how many operations it would take me to make this 3 a negative number or a 0 number? How many this x operations I need to do on 3 so 3 becomes 0? Any guesses, guys? Let me check in the comments. Yeah, we need to do 3 operations. Yeah. Yes, Pokraj, great. So guys, we need to do 3 operations, and I have really checked this, guys. This is a very cool phenomena. Okay, let me explain that before going to the session. So guys, in this session are from, some are from April, some are from May, some are from January, February. I have like observed this, that D Shaw is always asking again and again hard problems on binary search, because exactly 2 months ago, if you guys see, which session, this session number, I think session number no, session number 15, I think. Let me check. No, session number 17. No, it's s- session number 20. Even this is a D Shaw OA problem, which is exactly same to this question they asked this time. Okay, so D Shaw keeps on asking hard binary search problems, and you should be preparing the binary search OA playlist well to be ready for the D Shaw OA. Anyways, going back to our problem, guys, we need to do at least 3 decrement operations here, right? If you are using x as 1. If you are using how many operations need to do here? You need to do 1 decrement option here. How many decrement options you need to do? You need to do 10 decrement options here to make this 0. So total number of operations, it will be 14. Okay. Now let's say what would happen if I was using x equal to 2. Guys, now tell me. Whoever tells me will get 50 rupees in GPay by night. How many operation I need to do on 3 so it becomes 0 if x is 2? Guys, tell me in the chat. Let's see what people are writing. Good, good, good. Yes, Tanvir, the super famous guy. Even normal guys who solve 4 on 4, they are not famous. But Tanvir is the most famous guy in India who has solved 4 on 4 problems on lead code. Everyone knows, right? So going back, we need to do two steps here. How? Once you will do 3 minus 2, then it will become 1. Then you will do 1 minus 2. It will become a negative number. So you do 2 times. 1 time, 2 time. Okay, good, good. Similarly, here also you need to do only 1 time. If you do 1 minus 2, it will become negative. 1 here. Here you need to do 5 times. 2 into 5, 10. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so guys, this, can you guys use common sense and see that when the value of x is small, the number of operation required is more. When the value of x is bigger, the number of operation required is less. This is common sense. So let's write our first observation. Observation number 1. Observation 1. When value of x is small, total operations are more. And when value of x is large, value of x is large, total operations are less. Good, good, good. Nice, great. Okay. Now, guys, let's take this simple example. Okay, let's take this simple example. Guys, everyone in the chat, say this is our array. Max number of moves allowed are 8. K is 8. Okay, let me check. Let's say max number of moves allowed are 15. Okay. Now, guys, everyone tell me, if you use x equal to 0, will you be able to achieve the task? Please tell yes or no in the chat. Guys, be quick. Now, whoever tells me how many operations will be needed if you use x equal to 1 will guaranteed get 50 rupees in GPay by night by me. Whoever tells me first. Guys, if you are using x equal to 1, how many operations will it take? Let me see who's answered correctly. Tanveer, you will get GPay by night 31 rupees. Sorry, 50 rupees. Yeah. Good. 31. So it will take 1 na? 1 5 times here, 8 times here. So it will become 31. Good. So let's write it here. Okay. If you select x equal to 1, it will take 31 steps. But guys, if I take 31 steps, am I successful? Yes or no, guys? Am I successful if I am taking 31 steps? Let's see what people are writing. Guys, can anyone tell me why am I not successful if I take 31 steps? Good, Tanvir. Good. Nice. So 31 is, see, the number of moves should be less than equal to 15, na? K. So K, if you take 31 step, it is greater than K, cannot achieve the task. Okay. Now let's check for x equal to 2. Guys, if you do x equal to 2, it will only take you 17 steps. Okay. But it is still greater than K, so you cannot achieve. Okay. If you use x equal to 2, guys, it is common sense. That's why I'm not explaining more. Here you will have to do 3 operations to make the 5 negative. Here you will have to do 4, here you will have to do 4, here 3, 3. So 4 plus into 2, 8. 8 plus 4 into whatever. So guys, if you use x equal to 2, okay, Have I written this correct? It will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three steps here, three here, three here. So it will become 9. Then 4 here, 4 here. 9 plus 8, 17. हाँ सही है, सही है. Good guys, good. Now, if you take x equal to 3, guys, will we be, guys, write in the chat, if you take x equal to 3, can you achieve your task? Let's see what people are writing. Good, good, yes, yes. So, guys, if you take x equal to 3, you can achieve. Similarly, if you take x equal to 4, the number of steps will reduce, na? You wanted less than equal to 15. You got the answer that 3 is the answer. But now, even if you take bigger numbers, it will always be satisfied. Be it x equal to 4, x equal to 5, x equal to 6. If you select x equal to infinity, still you will be successful. So, guys, the observation is, guys, do you understand how much of a deep talks we are doing? See, first you are failing, then you fail again, then you become successful in life. Once you become successful in life, you stay successful forever. This is the observation which you have to do. Once you become successful at x equal to 3, all the future values are guaranteed to be successful because they will take lesser and lesser steps. Once you become successful, you will stay successful forever. This is the second observation. Once you become successful for some x, you will stay successful for all values greater than equal to x. Okay, let's say you find the x where you become the successful. Let's call it as the breaking point. Let's call it as breaking point or starting point of success. So uh, this was our array, right? Answer is what, guys, for this problem? Minimum x which will satisfy all the conditions. Let's see what people are writing. 3, 3. Good, that's why, that's why. Guys, everyone write 3. बाकी सब सोए हो क्या? 3 लिखो सब लोग, नहीं तो आगे नहीं जाऊंगा. और एक ही बंदा बार बार डबल टाइम मत लिखो, सब पता चलता है मुझे. हाँ, इतना भी उम्र नहीं हो गई है. हाँ. हम्म. Okay, guys. So answer is 3. Why? Because you have to find the breaking point. 3 was the breaking point, guys. Whatever is the breaking point, that will only be minimum. Na? It is common sense. You can explain this to 5-year-old also. Okay. So once you become successful, you stay successful forever. But you have to point the first point when you become successful, and that is your final answer. Clear, guys? Okay. Write yes in the chat. Apart from that, so now let's copy paste some stuff from here. Okay. So, guys, once you become successful for some x equal to y, then all x greater than equal to y will be successful. Hence, y is the minimum possible answer. Guys, what will be the brute force solution? Iterate from all values from 1 till you reach y. Become successful and y will be your answer. Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. देखो भाइयों और बहनों, आई की इंडेक्स क्या होगी? 1 होगी, देन आई विल बी 2, आई विल बी 3, आई विल बी 4. चलो चलो चलो, लास्ट में कहीं पहुंच गए यार, कोई बड़ा वैल्यू. ठीक है, इन्फिनिटी आ गए. ठीक है भाई, इन्फिनिटी. अब इतना सा हिंदी में बोला, इसमें भड़क मत जाना कि हिंदी में क्यों बोल दिया. ओके, काम डाउन. So, I is 1, then I will become 2 in his life, then it will become 3, 4, 4. Now you want to know for which I it will give you the correct answer. So how will the array look, guys? Sorry, how will the function look like? When it is not successful, let's call it as f. When it is not successful, let's call it as f. And when it is successful, let's call it as true. Okay, so I equal to 1, it is false, it is false, say it is false only. And at I equal to 5, it becomes successful, so we write true. Then it stays successful forever. It means no matter what the heck you are doing, you can start checking from x equal to 1 till n, right? But it will always look like this. Then it will start looking like this. So what can you do? Just start from I equal to 1. Check if it is false or true. If it is false, go ahead. False, go ahead. False, go ahead. As soon as it comes true, break the loop and you got the answer. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they understood what I said. You have to check for each I if it is false or true. If it is false, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. As soon as the true comes, stop, you got the answer, bro. Guys, everyone write yes. Please, please, everyone, everyone. Yeah, first occurrence. Guys, everyone write yes, please. Guys, be quick. Only Shubrit has written yes. What about others? तुम्हारे अंदर जान नहीं है? हाँ, ठीक है. Good, nice. So, guys, how to check? This is an interesting question. This is the code, guys. I run this for loop. I equal to 1 and say I less than equal to uh, sum of all the numbers of the array, na? Because we never have to do more operations than the sum of all the numbers in the array. Okay. What will be the code, guys? If check of I is equal to false, then do nothing. Else, if it is true, then this is our answer. Answer is I, and I break the loop. This is the code, guys. But now there is a catch here. We wrote this much. इतना तो लिख दिया. बट भाई चेक कैसे करेंगे कि ये वैल्यू चल रही है कि नहीं चल रही है? वो हमको कौन बताने वाला है? हमारे चाचा जी. हाँ, इसका कोड कौन लिखेगा भाई? So you have to write the code for check of I. How to write the code for check of I? This is the question. Can anyone tell in the chat? How to check if x equal to I is successful or not? The answer is you travel the full array and calculate the cost. Calculate the cost. So Noel William ji, now I want you to tell me how will we calculate the cost? Okay, let's say I'm making a check of I function. Okay, don't worry, I will write here. Okay, so now Noel ji, okay, we are given a number like this and we are given x as 2. Okay, our I is also 2. Now how can you Noel tell me how many operations will it require for 5 to become 0 if x is 2? 3. Noel, now can you tell me? Uh, Let me check. Noel ji, uh, where were we? Okay. So, Noel, what did you do? You subtract 2 3 times, right? It means the answer is what? Answer is 5 by x. Got it? If you divide that number by x, you will come to know how many times you have to subtract that number. Okay. So, say the array was b. So, the cost is what? Cost is always b of I by x plus 1. If b of I mod x is not equal to 0, if it is not perfectly divisible, then cost is b of I by x plus 1, else the cost is b of I by x. And you keep on adding this cost for each index and you'll get the answer. Solve. Okay. Noel understood? Right? Yes in the chat, Noel. Noel G. Okay, Ansh. Good. So now guys, let's check the C++ Java Python code. Uh, so go to the C++ code. It's very easy. Do nothing. Just chill out. Become a top G. So you just take the input, then you chill out your whole life. You start iterating from 1. You create a check function. I have named it as f. Okay. Let me make the screen big. Okay. You keep on running the while loop till it is coming false. As soon as it comes true, I print that I. Okay. Now what is the check condition? Check is this. See, I told na. I travel the full array. Okay. I calculate the cost. G is the cost. So if it is fully divisible by x, G is G plus B of I by x. If it is not fully divisible, then G equal to G plus B of I by x plus 1. एक step extra लग जाएगा ना क्योंकि it was not divisible. It will take one step extra. Okay. And then once you calculate the cost, just check if it is less than equal to k, true, successful, else false. Similarly guys, you can check the Java code. Same stuff is being done. Just chill out. Okay, just chill out. If you're a Python guy, check the Python code, enjoy your life. Same stuff. See, f and check function same, no difference. Input, traveling the array, while loop, all same. There are obviously different ways of writing this. Okay. What will be the time complexity of this solution? Time complexity will be O of, let's say what people are writing in the chat. I want to see how smart my student is. Everyone is giving wrong answer. Congratulations guys. Congratulations. Wrong. अरे चोमू लोगो बाइनरी सर्च का सोल्यूशन थोड़ी ना बताया, अभी तक लॉगिन लिख रहे हो. क्या बच्चे हैं भाई. रॉन्ग तनवीर रॉन्ग. कोई नहीं, अच्छे बच्चे. गुड नाइस किड्स. सी, the time complexity is O of n into sum of array. I will explain how. See, this loop I will run it from 1 to sum of the array, right? I might have not run it in the code itself, but you run this loop from 1 to sum of the array, right? So O of sum to aa gaya. And each check condition also takes n time. So answer will be of sum into n. Okay guys, clear? So the time complexity will be O of sum into n. Let me check. Huh. Okay. Now why is it O of sum into n? Why am I running the loop till O of sum of n? I will explain. Sum of the array. Say this is the array. So acha acha acha, we are increasing the x values, right? Mm, okay guys, I was wrong here. From early, like in the morning I was doing a difficult code chef question, and therein the requirement was sum of array, but sorry, I am wrong here. Here the requirement is not sum of array. Tanveer was correct. Maximum element of the array is enough. Okay, I will explain how. So say we have this array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what is the maximum value of x which you can take for this problem? You can take x equal to 5 ना. उससे बड़ा x लोगे तो आप चोमू हो, क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है आपको. 5 में हर बंदा मर जाएगा. So your x will go from 1 till maximum value in the array. Maximum value in the array. Tanvir is in form today. So guys, you have to run this loop from 1 till maximum value in the array in the worst case. So the time complexity will be n into maximum value in the array. Okay. Sorry guys for the mistake. In my mind there was some other question. Hope you guys can understand. Anyways. So that will be so n into max element of array. Now let's learn how to analyze the time complexity guys. Okay. So n is 10 raised to 5 in the question, and the max element can be as large as 10 raised to 9. So this will be very big. Guys, if everything till here is clear to everyone, then please write yes in the chat, guys. Yes, Tanveer. Guys, everyone write yes, please. Only Satabdo Shishti are writing. What about others? Good going, guys. Great, great, nice. So, now comes the interesting part. Okay, we can do this with binary search also. Okay, see, this part you cannot omit. Okay, you have to check what's going on, if it is successful or not. But you don't need to travel all the values to find the first true, right? There are better ways for doing it. Okay, so let's copy this. So guys, welcome to the real world. Efficient solution. You can find the y using binary search, as it is a monotonic function. Monotonic function means the function which is going in the same direction all the time. Suppose you have a function f of I. F of I will tell you true. It means that for x equal to I, we can be successful. Hence, the f array will always look like this. See, first there will be f values, then there will be t values. Guys, if all of you agree with me that the f array will always look like this, that first f, then t, then write yes in the chat. Guys, do you all agree that first f, then t? Good, nice. Hence, we can exploit this property that always the first f are coming and then the t are coming. So you can use binary search to find the first occurrence of t. This is exactly as the first problem in our binary search course. Find the first occurrence of number x, and here the question is find the first occurrence of t. Okay. So guys, hence there will be some f in the starting, and at some particular point t will start coming, and that point will be your minimum answer, and then you become successful. Guys, let's try to use binary search here. Okay, what happens in binary search? We pick up the number one and then we pick up the largest range possible. Okay, so guys, you can see in this diagram, everyone, for one answer is coming false, for two answer is coming false, for three answer is false, For 4 it is true, 5 it is true, 6 it is true, 7 true, 8 true, 9 true, then it will be true forever. Okay. So how will you find the first occurrence of t, which is 4, without linearly iterating from the start? You can do it using binary search in log of n time, and it is very much efficient compared to the normal method. Okay. Now, say you are you in the binary search, what do? You decide the low and high. So low is 1, high is 12. You calculate the mid is 6. So f of 6 is true. It means you should be checking on the left side. Okay, I will explain. This is 1, then this is like 50, and this is like 100. Okay, and they say at from 40 na guys, everything is true. Okay, now your mom sends you in the forest and tells you to search the first T and then all are F. Okay, so what is your search space? In which range will you search in the first go, guys? If you know nothing, you will search from 1 to 100, right? Then you will calculate the mid is what? 1 plus 100 by 2, which is 50. Then you will check 50 pe what is the value. 50 is true. It means there are more possible true on the left side, right? So you already know it is true, but you want minimum value na. So if f of I is true, you go left, and you update your range from 1 to 49. First you are searching from 1 to 100. Check the middle value. It is true. It means there are more true on the left hand side. So you cut this range and now you only check from 1 to 49. Guys, did everyone understood what I was saying? Right? Yes, in the chat. Guys, be quick. Noel, you also right here. So guys, now we need to understand. First, your low is 1, high is 12. You check that f of 6 is true. So you update your high as 5, 6 minus 1. So now your range become, पहले 1 से 12 था. अब बीच का चेक किया ट्रू है तो 1 से 5 कर दिया. समझा? Clear. Now you again check the middle. Middle is what? 3, which is false. If it is false means the answer is on the right hand side. It means you should now update your low to 3 plus 1, 4. For example, I'll explain again, guys. Don't worry. I'll explain again. So now your range is 1 to 49, right? Range is now 1 to 49. The array looks like this, guys. Then there is this 40. Here it is true. And then 49. Like, people message me so much that, Bhaiya, please take me in mentoring and course. But they don't understand. I have so many people. How can I take 3 4 1 to 1 mentoring session all the time? Don't I have a life? That's why I don't take. Okay. So if your friends want to come, tell them to come next year. Once you get 30 40 LPA job. Okay. Anyways, going back. And yeah, make sure to message me. Okay. I need for LinkedIn post. So guys, this is false. Okay. This is false going on. Now you will do the same procedure. You calculate the mid. 1 plus 49/2 कितना होता है? बचपन में पढ़ा था कि ये भी मैं ही बताऊं. 25 होता है. 25. So you check the 25th value. You come to know it is false. It means that the true is on the right hand side. So you update the range from 26 to 49. So this was your low. This was your high. Don't change the high. Make low equal to mid plus 1. Guys, everyone clear what to do if F comes, what to do if T comes? Write in the chat yes. Thank you, Ansh. Copy pasting same stuff, हाँ सही बताया है. Good. So guys, see, when it is false na, I mid is 3, so I make low equal to mid plus 1, low equal to 3 plus 1. Now the range looks like this, Noel. Earlier it was 1 to 12, then it become 1 to 5. Now it become 4 to 5. Congratulations. Guys, you know I have solved the hardest problem in one of the international competitions. It was having multiple monotonic functions involved. Even by using lots of mathematics, I was not knowing will binary search work or not. Still, I just coded it somehow and it worked out. So whenever you don't understand anything, just do binary search. Okay. Anyways, guys, jokes apart. Low is 4, high is 5. Good, great, nice. So guys, what will be the mid? Mid is 4. And you know guys what? F of 4 is true and f of 4 minus 1 is false. It means you got the answer. How to check if you got the final answer? Guys, can anyone tell me how to check if you got the final answer? Whoever tells me will get 100 rupees GP at night. I will do 100 rupees GP in your account if you tell me the answer. How to know if you got the perfect answer? How to know if you got the perfect answer? Okay, guys. So you were at this index number 4. This is 3. Now your binary search mid is saying 4. So if f of mid is true and f of mid minus 1 is false, मतलब अगर मैं सच्चा हूं और मेरे बाजू वाला झूठा है, मतलब मैंने ढूंढ लिया उस बंदे को, ये है वो कंडीशन. If f of mid is true and f of mid minus 1 is false, it means I found the guy. स्टॉप द बाइनरी सर्च. अब पैसा लो और मजा करो. ठीक है, जॉब मिल गया. अभी हम बाइनरी सर्च नहीं पढ़ेंगे. सो this condition, guys, do you understand this trick condition to use to stop the binary search? If the mid is true, mid minus 1 is false, then do this. Right? Yes, guys, everyone understood, everyone enjoying, yes or no, guys? ये ट्रिक समझी क्या लिखने का? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक है. बहुत बच्चों को पता ही नहीं होता, तो उनका बाइनरी सर्च इनफाइनाइटली चलता रहता है बच्चों जैसा. कभी भी याद रखना, इससे बाइनरी सर्च जल्दी से रुक जाता है और गलती नहीं होती है. एफ ऑफ मिड इज ट्रू और मिड माइनस 1 को फॉल्स ठोक के आ जाना. समझे? चलो अब थोड़ा कोड देख लेते हैं. जावा पाइथन कोड आई विल ऐड बाय नाइट. थोड़ा सा मुझे भी चिल मारने दो. सी चैट जीपीटी कर देगा, वो टेंशन का बात नहीं. अब थोड़ा एल्गोरिदम सी प्लस प्लस का देखते हैं. सेशन चालू करने के 2 मिनट पहले ही लिखा था. ये चेक फंक्शन तो सबको पता है, ये मैं नहीं समझाने वाला. ठीक है, अगर पूछ भी लिया बहुत मार खाओगे. Anyways, coming down, joking guys, joking. So guys, this is our n and you take this b array and it's going fine. Now see what I'm doing in binary search. Low is 1, high is sum. This I did wrong, right guys? So sum equal, I don't have to take sum, I have to take the maximum guy na. Sum is max of sum comma b of I. And Python Java guys can write their Python Java implementations and post in the pro group. We will take your code and add it in our course. Okay. So you want that opportunity, you can do that also. But if you guys don't do, I will convert myself. So guys, see, sum is what? Max of sum minus this. Okay. Now the low is what? Range 1. And what should be the high sum? I am writing kk equal to 0. It means that the binary search will keep running. Will keep running till kk is equal to 0. So now what do I do? This is standard binary search function. While low less than equal to high and kk equal to 0. This is my trick. Huh? You guys can copy it. So mid is nothing but low plus high by 2. Okay. Then you check. If it is true, you do something. If it is false, you know now you have to make low equal to mid plus 1. इधर ही तो किए थे नेताजी. अगर false आता है तो update the low like this. Okay, clear guys? So if it is false, I make low equal to mid plus 1. If it is true, please make a special case for mid equal to 1. Mid, see, the answer can never be less than 1. 0 cannot do anything in his life. all the numbers in the array are greater than equal to 1. So if mid is 1, just stop guys, this is your answer. So I write answer as 1 and kk as 1, it will come out of this while loop. You can even write break condition, but I don't believe in that. Okay. Now if mid is not 1, just put an extra check. You know now the answer for f of mid is true. So just check. If mid minus 1 is false, you got the answer. See, mid is true. And if mid minus 1 is false, you got the answer. Answer mid and kk1 out of the loop. And if even mid minus 1 is true, इसका मतलब और लेफ्ट में जाना है. समझे बच्चुआ क्या बोले? अब मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, no worries. So say if it is like this, you are at this mid. Okay, this is true, and this mid is say for f. So if mid minus 1. So this is true, this is false, you got the answer. This is the answer. But what if this is also true? If both are true, it means you have to go to left. You have to go to left. It means you need to update your high. Earlier high was this, na? Now you need to make high as mid minus 1. Okay. So high is mid minus 1. And guys, the job is done. Answer this. Then everything will be uploaded soon. I hope, guys, all of you have enjoyed it. Please write yes in the chat if everyone understood, guys, this hard problem. Guys, clear, guys, full clear. I want, guys, full. Guys, clear na? Okay, now let me stop the recording. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, Noel ji.